How you doing guys, Bioinformatics guy here with another video, and in this video I will be announcing the winners for the giveaway of the book Bioinformatics with Python. So I will be giving away 3 ebook copies, and let me apologize in advance if I mispronounce your name, but I will put the names on the screen so that you know if you are one of the winner. So our first winner is Bashir Sani from Nigeria. Congratulations. And then our second winner is Juraj Chowat from Slovakia. And the last and the third winner is Falavarel from France. So congratulations to all of you. I will be getting in touch with you on your comments down below, and then we will most probably get in touch on Discord because I will be needing your emails to send you the ebook, or we can also get in touch on some other social media. I will add the links in the description of the video. So thank you very much, and hope to see you around in the next video.